looks like the location marked by a red flag is closest to the epicenter of the earthquake, and the damage there is the most severe. We are now at the location marked by the blue flag. We will be able to reach the disaster area by moving along this road. Captain Kiki, the map of the disaster area is ready.
Good job, Momo. Let us now set out with this map.
Oh dear, there has been a landslide ahead. The rescue vehicle won't be able to get in there.
Everybody, there is very little time to waste. Let us pick up the lighter rescue tools and run into the disaster area with it. Help me locate these rescue tools. Jack. Rescue boots. Rope.
Help me locate these rescue tools.
Pulley block. Electric saw. Cutting pliers.
Where are all these rescue tools?
Tripod. Medical kit. Oxygen tank.
I want to bring these rescue tools with me.
Rock drill. Shovel. Optical detector. Good job! Let us set out for the disaster area right now! We will arrive at the heart of the disaster area once we pass through this tunnel. Remember to stay safe. Let us go! Press here to run forward. Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! Careful! You have to hop over the obstacle. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! It is very low here. Remember to crouch as you move forward. Careful, you have to hop over the obstacle. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We are almost there. Keep going! Careful, you have to hop over the obstacle. It is very low here. Remember to crouch as you move forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! It is very low here. Remember to crouch. It is very low here. Remember to crouch as you move forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We are almost past the tunnel. Good job so far. Quick, follow me into the disaster area. Awesome! You have finally completed the pre-rescue task! With all that effort! This is a bravery medal for you! Keep going! We are finally here at the heart of the disaster area, and our efforts are sorely needed here. Let us hurry and begin! School rescue. Rescue team, come help us! Ho-Ho's gone missing! Slow down a little, Miss May-May. What exactly happened to Ho-Ho? I had told the children to head to a safe place when the earthquake happened. However, I realized that Ho-Ho was missing, and I had only been able to find his hat. Please do not worry. The search dog has a very sensitive nose, and we will definitely be able to locate Ho-Ho. What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. Clear out the obstacles as quickly as you can. Is someone there? Is someone there? What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. There seems to be something here. Is someone there? I'm over here. Are you Ho-Ho? I am Ho-Ho. Come save me, please.
Don't be scared, Ho-Ho. Are you hurt?
Oh, it's so dark in here, and I can't see anything. My leg hurts so much. Good boy, Ho-Ho. Hang in there for a little while more and don't cry. We are working to save you right now. First, we will have to open up a hole in the wall. Hand me a crowbar. Place the jack inside. Place the jack inside. Raise the jack a little. Oh no! A concrete block is in the way. Get ready to break it up. Don't be scared, Ho-Ho. We're on the way. First, wipe the face. Have some water, Ho-Ho. Ouch, it really hurts.
Oh dear, Ho-Ho may have fractured his leg. Let's bandage it up first before moving it.
Great! Ho-Ho, you are safe now!
Ho-Ho, can you tell us how you protected yourself during the earthquake?
It happened during PE class. I was not feeling well and stayed alone in the classroom. The sudden earthquake frightened me. I put my school bag on my head and hid under the desk, as my teacher said. It was all dark around me and my leg was hurting badly. I was so frightened. And then I remembered my teacher saying that I should not be crying or yelling loudly. Instead, I should try to conserve my energy because someone will eventually come for me.
You did the right thing, Ho-Ho! Awesome!
Thank you so much, rescue team. You have managed to locate Ho-Ho, even with all the difficulties and danger present. This is a bravery badge for you.
Residential Building Rescue!
Rescue team, Whiskers is still trapped in that building. Please, save him.
Please do not worry, Mayor. We will get this all sewn up.
Time is running out. Start now.
We start searching from the roof. The sonic detectors are used to locate Whiskers' voice as he calls for help. Place the detectors in the right positions according to the numbers shown. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Five, 6, 6. Connect the tables to the detectors. Signals at this position are very strong and regular. Whiskers may be there.
We need to check again to see if Whiskers is down there.
This is an optical detector that is used to scan for signs of life. Thread its camera through the opening, and we will be able to locate Whiskers on the screen. Where is Whiskers? This is not Whiskers. This is not Whiskers. This is not Whiskers. This is not Whiskers. We have yet to find Whiskers. Adjust the camera and look closely again. There he is! He has been striking the surface in a rhythmic manner as a means of sending an SOS signal. Go save him!
Quickly, cut the cement board to create a rescue path. Set up the tripod. Come help lift the cement board. Great! We now have a path. Let us now put on our rescue equipment and head down there for Whiskers. Quickly locate the needed rescue tools. Safety harness. Flashlight. Knee and elbow pads. Spare hooks. Gloves. Rescuer vest. Safety hat. Quickly help me put on rescue equipment, and then we can hurry to save Whiskers. Safety harness. Knee and elbow pads. Spare hooks. Flashlight. Safety hat. Rescuer vest. Gloves. Thank you. I am done putting on the equipment, and now we head down for Whiskers. Keep safe as you descend. Watch out! Stay away from the obstacles! 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 Whiskers, we are here for you!
Thank you. I kept making a sound with an iron rod, hoping that you will find me.
You have done very well. Come, let us head back up together.
Okay.
It's been tough on you, rescue team. You are truly heroes for rescuing Whiskers. Here is a bravery badge for you.